one who's seeking that connection within, that experience from within. The sound is the master key. Understand how to open the doors of psyche. Understand how to use this amazing, incredible art of Naad. Become a yogi, become capable, not just to inspire only your own mind, but the entire world. Let's make an effort to bring the healing upon humanity. To do that, we have to become. To become, let me share this amazing gift from ancient India, the Naad Yoga, the art of sound, preparing you so that you can become the ultimate solution, the mantra. Sat Kartar.